Hey everyone, so I am back and I have a beautiful kit. My kit came in fully intact this month, and all I've done is tear off my sticker and open up the box, and then I stopped because I was like, hey, unboxing. So here is the gorgeousness that came from Mercy Tiara Kits this month. This is the Cheerful Kit, and this, look, there's a 2-page sketch this month. Ooh, yay. So you can find it in the group as well. That way you can play along. It'll be interesting for me because I don't usually do 2-pagers, but I am going to really try this month. It still has all the planning tools and everything, journaling prompts, and places for sketches. So I love that, always do. I'm going to put that to the side. Okay, there's going to be noise for a second, but I'm going to pull all of this out. I guess I should have left the orange paper, but I didn't, so I'll make more noise now. Sorry. Okay, so there is so much to go through here. Okay, so this is the main kit. I'm gonna move everything. Oh my gosh, y'all, I get it, it's only October, but when I'm filming this, it is October, okay? So it kind of blows me away. Like, it's October and we're doing Christmas, but I love the fact that we're doing it now because I can play with it and everything. And I don't know, I might make some layouts that don't actually have pictures on them yet. I don't know how you guys are gonna like that. But that way, when it comes to actual Christmas, I can go ahead and just pop the pictures on, because I know usually the orientation I do and stuff like that. And so, and the sizes, I mean, usually I do like 3x4s and I do a couple of them on a page or something like that. So, just thinking out loud. But we get this, and excuse my fingernails, I started peeling off some of the nail polish. It's time for a new color. But this is gorgeous. It's just some of the baker's twine and it's red and white. I love this. Okay, I'm not gonna pour this out because I will get it everywhere, and I don't want that. But this is so cute. Let me see if I can actually get it out, a little bit of it out without getting too much. Look at that. See if I can actually get it to focus. How pretty is that? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so yes, I will be playing with that, definitely. I always love the confetti mix. We have some little paper cutouts. This says celebrate, cheerful, and traditions. That's cute. See, do I do layouts or do I do a mini album? Do I get, because I never finish, and this is probably horrible, but I never finish like a December daily. So maybe if I did it all beforehand and I just had to stick my photos in, but then I don't think that would work for me. Because then I also want to be able to do the embellishment, and I guess which is something I could do later, just do it really basic in the beginning. Anyways, off track, sorry. I do that a lot. Here's all the numbers. This is from Simple Stories. So it has all the numbers. It even has like the little words NO, which is for numbers, but you know. The holly berries. I love the color combination. So I love that. Oh, and I think this goes with the Vicky Booten. Ooh, that is gorgeous. No peeking, open me for you, lift. Look at that, is, it's Christmas time. Oh, I love this. The magic of Christmas captured. And I'm not going to take this out right now. Sorry, y'all. There's all sorts of stars. Ah, I love. And then here's the thickers, and they have those little bitty gold dots. I'm trying to get it close enough without a glare. Look at the little gold dots on them. I love that as well. Ooh, and it's got all the little numbers in here too. And the word and. Oh, I do like the ampersands. I kind of hate that there's no ampersands. But other than that, I still love it. And then paper. I do see Vicky Booten. I see quite a bit of Vicky Booten. Ooh, I love it. These circles are, everything yells to be fussy cut to me. I love the yellow too. It's gorgeous. It'll be great. And this is so cool. I love that branding strip. But these I want to cut out and pop up and mix media in the background. It's just so pretty. So this collection is Wrapped in Ribbons by Vicki Boutin. And I think there's other stuff. There's simple stories added in too. Fussy cutting. Oh my gosh. I think I also got the pattern paper add-on. And if I did, there's definitely going to be fussy cutting done. Here is some simple stories. This is Santa's Village. Again, can fussy cut the cute little packages out. I really do love that green though. And then I pop back to Vicki Boutin again. That tree is just too stinking cute. I love that. Might add some actual stitching on it. And then there's green on that side. It's a gorgeous plaid. Loving this. I really love that though. Here's more of Santa's Village from Simple Stories. The trees are too cute. I really love that deep, deep green there. That's so pretty. And I got stuff falling all over my desk. Ooh, look at that plaid. That's from Simple Stories as well. And a cut apart. Look at the cute little deer and Santa and the little house. I always love these too because I like to cut them out. And then I can still use that as like a backer for something. And these are cute too. And then back to Vicki Boutin. I absolutely love this. I love when she does the circles and stuff in her collections. Ooh. And I love the stripe. Ooh. I've got to look through because, I mean, you saw me open it. I don't know exactly what I have right now. This is so pretty too. I could use some of my glossy accents or, where'd it go? My stickles and cover some of these and add some sparkle to the page. Ooh, and I love that too. That's too cute. Okay, I like the writing too though. There's this one as well. It looks like craft in the background. And then like it's kind of like hot pink. And it looks like maybe something circular was pushed down on it or bubble wrap or something on paint. That's so cool. I love that. This one is Simple Stories, and it looks like kind of like a sweater. That's cute. I like the pattern. And then there's trees on that side. I really like that. And this is Simple Vintage Holly Jolly. Those will work great, especially with like this Vicki Boutin stuff. Cute fussy cutting there as well. Love the gorgeous green. And then, ooh, I love these white poinsettias. They're gorgeous. And then there's some white on that side. So that's the main kit. And I'm going to try to put this back in the bag really quick. I'm sorry, y'all. But I'm throw this in here. Oop, and move it to the side. Let's see. So this is the pattern paper add-on. So yes, there'll be a lot of fussy cutting. And then the cardstock add-on. So that means you guys have seen this. Sorry for the noise. So I'm just going to do a quick flip here. Just understand this means I will be fussy cutting and I will be adding glitter to things. So I have that as well. And honestly, I really love the bags. I like to try to find ways to reuse the bags and stuff. And the fact that they're using these paper ones really does make me happy because I can use them in my albums and stuff too. They're great to add to a page and, you know, put your Christmas cards in or put little cute things that were found during the holiday season or crafts that the kids made or something like that. So they work great for stuff like that. What? I didn't know we were getting this. Look, you get the whole, it's 6 papers. It's the Vintage Basic Kit. It's Simple Vintage Holly Jolly. And so it's like got, not plaid. It's like all checks or plaid. Maybe it is like plaid. Look, I'm going to open this because I'm not sure myself. So you get 2 of each, it looks like. What is it? It's like ledger paper. Oh, I love that. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that. Let me see here. So it's like ledger paper. And then the other side is just a distressed tone on tone polka dot. And so that's how all of them go. I absolutely love that because I like a little more red in my Christmas stuff. I like to go a little untraditional sometimes, but with the papers and stuff that are in here, absolutely love the bright pops of red. I like the blue added in. And then we also get some white cardstock. And this is what? This is basil, just white basil, which is perfect I love it. So again, another one that works fantastically. Another bag that I can use. This is the Cheerful Embellishment add-on. I really do like these bags. I'm going to have to look at seeing if I can get the sticker off there or putting an embellishment over the sticker so I can use it. Okay. So, oh, cute. Decorative brads from Simple Stories. I love the little Santa Claus. I always love these. Oh, that one right there. Probably my favorite. The cute little deer. I love the flowers. I love this. Okay. And then we get some more little letters. This is the Chamel Reasons to Smile. That's where this comes from. But they're white and they're on like a wood grain. And they're like puffy. They're puffy stickers. Those are cute. Yay. We get the Wrapped in Ribbons ephemera. There's 56 pieces in here. And there's gold. Oh, I love that. So this is Vicky Booten. There's all sorts of cute little things. Some are already built for you. You can totally layer up and build more. Oh, I love that. Then you also get the Simple Stories floral bits. So there's a bunch of flowers and snowflakes and trees. Love that. Gorgeous colors. And then you also, this is the Creative Designs Laser Cut. So this one is designed by Carrie, K-A-R-I. If I said that wrong, I am so sorry. Oh, and I'm ripping it. See, and I like these glassine bags too. And I ripped it. So I hate that, but I did. If I can get in here, I will pull this out. Sorry, the noise I know is not great. But, okay, maybe I just need to cut the top off because I am having issues. I'm also impatient, so sorry. Oh, it says holidays. Let's see. Cheer. Holiday cheer. Okay, so I had it upside down. Holiday cheer, and it does have the little piece. If I can get it out of here. It has a little piece for up here as well. I don't know what that's called. I'm going to have to Google. But it's got the little piece for the top of the eye. So it says holiday cheer. That's cute. I love the red. Let's see. I'll put this in here really quick because I do not want to lose that. I really do have to Google and see what that is. I will slide this in here. And then I also have the mixed media add-on, and I am loving the spritz, the distress spritz. They are gorgeous, and the gold and the shimmer that's in them, fantastic. Oh wow. Okay, so there is fossilized amber and that gold in there. Whoa. I don't know if you can see that like swirling around in there. That's gorgeous. This is peeled paint. I love that green. Oh, that's like mixing really well. Oh, I love that right there. This is Barn Door. Again, absolutely gorgeous. And then Twisted Citron. Let's see if I can. Ooh. That also kind of reminds me of Wicked. So there's those four. This is letter cutouts of Joy. I am 100% on that one. If I can even face it the right way, that'd be great. So there's Joy. And then, oh, the stencils. Oh, I love this. And you know what's even cooler, though? When she does stuff like this, when Vicky makes these, the packaging can always be used. And I absolutely love that. So if you take the stencil out, peanut butter, you can also take this paper out, and they all have the same one behind it, but it's got that cool texture on there, or what it looks like texture, and the shapes and stuff. So this is always awesome. So you can use that too. You can still slide these back in or whatever, or however you store your stencils. But I do love the stencils though, because it looks like little sprigs. And then it comes with leaves and another design as well. So, I mean, that is so much. So much. And I am having my own issues. That is a normal thing for me. So you get the leaves and berries, and then this cute little floral design as well. So, and there's little examples of it. So I absolutely love this. But that is the end of my unboxing. I really hope that you enjoy this, and I am off to create. Bye.